Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting simple fractions. This video shows how to subtract simple fractions when the denominators are the same. Now here's the rule that we need to follow. To subtract simple fractions that have the same denominator, just subtract the numerators and place the answer over the given denominator. Now this is very similar to the rule to the one we saw earlier when we were adding simple fractions. The only difference is the numerators have to be subtracted because it is subtraction. So here's the first example. If we have 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5, minus is the same as take away, so that's the subtraction sign. So 4 over 5 take away 1 over 5. You'll notice that each denominator is 5. In other words, this is very easy to do because the denominator of each fraction is the same. So let's follow the rule. We subtract the numerators, so we have 4 take away 1 all over 5. 4 take away 1 gives us 3, so the answer is 3 over 5. And just in the same way as we were doing addition, you do not subtract the denominator, so the denominators stay the same. They were 5 in each case, so it stays as 5. The only subtraction occurs with the numerator. The second example, 7 over 13 minus 2 over 13. The denominator is 13 in each case, so all we do is we subtract the numerators. So 7 take away 2. 7 take away 2 gives us 5. So the answer is 5 over 13. You can say that as 5/13. You can say that also. Example 3. 10 over 11 minus 3 over 11 minus 2 over 11. So you can subtract two separate fractions. The good news is all the denominators are the same. So we just work from left to right for our subtraction. 10 minus 3 minus 2. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 over 11. So it's a very straightforward video. All you do when you are subtracting simple fractions, you just subtract the numerators when the denominators are the same. It's that straightforward.